Bakit si Kevin? Bakit mo minahal si Kevin?
Ang hirap na bakit kami minahal si Kevin. Parang nablangko ako dun ah.
Gray moments, they pass by. If you're careless,
Bakit ang hirap niyang sagutin? Pero sa puso mo alam mo yung sagot eh. Pero hindi mo siya ma-pinpoint. Ang daming dahilan. Pero ang ending siya, hindi ko alam eh.
every time I try to talk to you in time.
Iba pala pag sinusulat sa sinasabi mo. Actually, dapat pati sa ceremony naka-black din kami. Kaso nung sinuot niya yung wedding gown niya na puti, tapos nakita namin lahat na wag mo nang paitin. Ayun. Tapos tsaka lang nag-decide na pati ako nakaputi. Which is sakto rin since lahat nakaitim. Kami lang yun.
Near you, to get near you in my mind. Plays on to you all the time. I'll find the right line.
When we met, I was not the marrying type. I've always strongly believed that I'll be alone forever. That I cannot trust and rely on someone, anyone. I always had a wall so thick and strong, no big bad wolf can blow me up. Then you came. Started to break down my wall when you loved Kyle. Like she was your own. Courted her instead of me. Then from there, the wall slowly melted away. You saw the beauty in me, inside and out. Then I changed. You changed. We both changed. No more heartaches and heartbreaks. We finally found something real.
Babe, I promise to do and be all that I can for you as your partner. I will be there for you in times of laughter and times when there won't be too much laughter. I will kiss you every day when we wake up, and I will kiss you every night before we go to bed. I choose you, and I will continue to choose you. I'm looking forward to spending the rest of my days with you. I vow na ikaw lang, hindi kita ipagpapalit at ipagsasabay kahit kanino. I love you now until forever and ever. Let's make this last forever.
You will stay with me permanent. Permanent.
Nakakatawa kung saan tayo nagsimula. Tapos ngayon, tatawanan na lang natin lahat na nangyari dati. And for sure kung ano man yung pagdadaanan natin in the future. Oo, siguro magkakainisan tayo. Medyo mapapraning tayo, matatakot tayo sa umpisa kung paano natin naharapin. Pero tulad ng lagi na sinasabi sa isa't isa, we always find a way. PDO. Habang buhay kita pagsisilbihan.